Good morning. Welcome back to the channel, Sean J&G Cleaning Solutions. So it is 5:40 in the morning and I'm heading out to a job to apply some biocide to a tennis court, just so we can have it ready for Monday when we're going to go out and flat surface clean the tennis court. So we're just en route now. The biocide is Moss Shield from Cleaning Solutions UK in Taunton. I'll put a link in comments below. Good stuff. I've got my pressure sprayer, which is 30 litres. We're doing 5:1 ratio, so that'll be 5 litres to 25 litres of water, and then we'll just spray it all on. We're doing it early because it's very hot here down in North Devon at the moment, so I want to get it down and not let it evaporate. So it's got a good 2-3 hours to get into the tarmac. Just want to say congratulations to Sid from Partridge Exterior Cleaning. Sorry about this glare. Told you it was sunny. Yeah, Sid from Partridge hit over 100,000 subscribers last night. 100,000. Thumbs up, man. Good work. You are the king of YouTube for exterior cleaning services. And we're like your pawns. Anyway, stop waffling, Sean. We're on the road. Get to this tennis court. So this is the Moss Shield from Cleaning Solutions. Biocide. That's what we're going to be using. Okay guys, so this is what we're treating with the Moss Shield. Mainly going to apply it to the blue area. But look at that place, amazing place to stay. But it's one of our pressure washing services, tennis courts. So yeah, just thought I'd film it. guys, so all the blue where they actually play on the court, I've sprayed all with the moss shield. As you can see, the reason I came early is because the sun's coming across the court. Hopefully, all being well, the biocide will kill any moss, lichens, stuff like that on there that's growing. Organisms, I should say, organisms, not orgasms, organism. So yeah, I'll be back to clean it on Monday with a flat surface cleaner. Hopefully all being well, it's going to come out a treat. Cheers. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Monday morning and we're back at the tennis court after pre-treating with moss shield. So it should make it easier cleaning. We've got 2 hose pipes filling up the wheelie bin. So yeah, 500 meters squared. Smash this out today. Happy days. Flat surface cleaner, and we're probably going to run it on half pressure, three quarters pressure, because we're just not sure how the tarmac will withstand the pressure washer, but half to 3/4 should be fine. Anyway, stop chatting, stop waffling, let's go. Okay guys, so we're halfway through. Bit of a shock this one. So look, as you can see from here, look at that colour difference. Check that out. This is a grime line and half bend. Advantage, that side. So yeah, not done, done. Look at that, bright. Rinsing took a bit of time, but a lot of sand down here. So anyway, let's carry on. It's just going to be all time lapse now from one position, not going to be with the camera, just need to crack on with it. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Cool. guys, that's the end of the video. Take a look. Brand new. Could be used for Wimbledon. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking. Absolutely fabulous. Thank you. See you on the next one.